Hello everyone and welcome to Mrs. Liz's Storytime Online. So today we're going to do a story time about birds. Not ducks. Ducks was before. This is birds and nests, okay? Because what is a nest? A nest is what some birds build to have their eggs inside. Have you seen some nests outside lately? Maybe go look around, see if you can find some. I think I found one right alongside my house. There's a lot of vines that hang down, and I think a bird built a little nest in there. But we gotta see. I don't know if that's what it is. It kind of just looks like a clump of vines, but I'm gonna go check for eggs later. So like every other story time, we start with we clap and say hello. So we clap and say hello, we clap and say hello with our friends at story time. We clap and say hello. We wave and say hello, we wave and say hello with our friends at story time. We wave and say hello. Hello, welcome to story time. So what we have here is our mouse in the house. So for kids who haven't watched before, what we do is there's a little mouse hiding behind one of the houses. So we have a red and an orange and a green and a blue and a purple and a pink house. So now we say, once we have our first house, we say, little mouse, are you in the, and then we ask the color of the house, and then we go and see if he's there. So today I want to start with orange. It's a nice bright color. It seems like a nice bright day out. So little mouse, are you in the orange house? And no, he's not in the orange house. What else do we have? Let's try blue. Miss Liz is wearing a blue sweater. So little mouse, are you in the blue house? Oh no, he's not in the blue house. Okay. We have red, green, purple, and pink. Let's try purple. Purple's a very pretty color. Little mouse, are you in the purple house? Oh no, he's not in the purple house. Let's see. Do you want to do red, green, or pink? Let's do red. Little mouse, are you in the red house? Oh no, he is not in the red house. What's gonna be our guess? Green or pink? Green or pink? Let's do pink. I don't think he's been in the pink house before. Little mouse, are you in the pink house? Oh, he is, and he stayed on this house. He was hiding in the pink house. Good job. Did you guys guess it was pink? Oh, very good. What's behind green? Nothing. Okay. Okay. So our book for today is this one. It's called Bird Builds a Nest. Bird Builds a Nest by Martin Jenkins, illustrated by Richard Jones. So Martin Jenkins wrote it, and Richard Jones is the one that made all the pretty pictures. Bird builds a nest. It's a beautiful day. Bird is up early. She's got a lot to do. First, she needs some breakfast. What she wants is a nice, juicy, what do birds eat? Do they eat fruit? She's looking for nice, juicy fruit. Let's see. Worm. Ooh. I'm sure she likes worms, but I don't think we like worms much. make you eat nice juicy worms for breakfast? Bird pulls hard, but the worm pulls back. It's a big worm and it's strong. Pulls and he pulls back. Too strong for Bird. Ah, this one's better. It's smaller and it's not as strong. Delicious. So she couldn't get the first worm, but she got the second worm. Having a nice breakfast. Now Bird can get on with her work. What's her work? What does she do all day? Let's see. She's not looking for worms now. She needs twigs. Lots of twigs. Ooh, look at that big twig. This one's too heavy. And so is this one. Wow, look how long that one is. Much too big for Bird. All of these will do fine. Bird can carry one large twig or two medium-sized twigs. Or 3 or 4 small twigs, although it's hard to fit that many in her beak at once. It's got so many little itty-bitty twigs. What's going on here? Yeah, she's building a nest. Let's see what it says. She's building her nest. Good guess. It's not quite finished though. Carefully, she pushes a twig into the side of the nest and pulls its end back out. Pushing and pulling, she gets all the twigs in place. Do you want to build a nest like that? Push and pull and push and pull and push and pull. It's easier with hands, but birds have to do it with their beaks. So push and pull and push and pull. She works for hours, flying back and forth, fetching and carrying, pushing and pulling. Just gotta keep flying back and forth to get more twigs, and then push them into the nest, and then get more twigs and push them into the nest. It's a lot of work. No wonder she's been doing it all morning. Sometimes she drops a twig, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes she makes mistakes, but that's okay. Let's see what else happens. She's looking for softer things now. Dried grass and feathers. They're very light. She can carry lots of those at once. What are the softer things for? Think it's padding in the nest? Soft things for them to hang in? Yep, looks like it's going in the nest. Ooh, there's something in my eye. She tucks them into place, turning around and around, pushing with her whole body. She makes a snug little cup, smooth and soft on the inside. So she makes the middle with her body, just pushing and pulling through the nest. The nest is ready and waiting. Can you guess what it's waiting for? Well, there's 2 birds in there now. Is that all? Do they just live in there? No, it's for eggs. Why do they make a nest for eggs? Do you know? So that eggs have somewhere safe. So that they can stay in safe and warm until they hatch. Good job. You know a lot about birds. Eggs. Yeah, look. 5 of them, speckled and beautiful and getting ready to hatch. What colors are they? They're green and blue and white. How many? You said there was 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little eggs and 2 bird parents. What color are the parents? Let's see. Looks like they're yellow with a little orange and red and black. Very pretty. The end. What happened? Ah, looks like the little birdies hatched. We have, let's see if they're all there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 little baby birds. The end. That was Bird Builds a Nest. Now I have a little song for you today. I like to call it Tweet, Tweet, Tweet Little Birdie. I'm not sure if that's the name, but so what we're going to do is we're going to be a little birds today. So first we're going to make our birdie beak because the bird sings. So the bird sings and she shakes her wings. She wiggles her tail, wiggle your tail, and she can swing. Can you swing? So then, now here comes the tweet, tweet, tweet little birdie part. So we clap when it says tweet, and then we do our little birdie flaps, okay? So we go tweet, 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 little birdie. Tweet, 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 little birdie. Tweet, 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 little birdie. Little birdie, tweet, tweet. Now our bird, she flies up high. She flies down low. She turns around. Where did she go? I don't know. You want to do that again? Okay, so first we go, the birdie sings. She shakes her wings. She wiggles her tail. She can swing. Tweet, 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 little birdie. Tweet, 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 little birdie. Tweet, 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 little birdie. Little birdie, tweet, tweet. She flies up high. She flies down low. She turns around. Where did she go? I don't know. So I like to end our story times with our goodbye song. So we wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this with our friends at story time. We wave goodbye like this. Goodbye. Thank you for coming to story time. Goodbye.